hosts. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining. Guys, just as normal, let me know in the comments if the sound's okay, if it's working all right. Can one of you guys check that? Just if it's working. My headphones are behind. And we're trying something new today because we're streaming on Facebook as well. So YouTube camera here, Facebook camera here. Hello, thanks for joining. Subscribe on the YouTube. People from Facebook, go to YouTube, please, because it's... Sorry?
Gustavo, hola tío. Gustavo, dije, hola tío.
Hola Gustavo, gracias por venir. Thanks everyone for joining. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you in advance, and enjoy the concert. Have I wings to and both shall my love and see how she flies, golden sails across the skies, close enough to touch, but careful if you try, though she looks as warm as the moon's hush mistress. The moon can be so cold. Once the sun, guys, my Bluetooth is going to be connected to it, so it's going to connect from the headphones. So I'm connected.
We just connect these. We just connect them.
Once the sun did shine, yes, it felt so fine. The moon, a phantom rose through mountains and pines, and then the darkness fell. The moon's a hush mistress. It's so hard to love her. I fell out of her eyes. I fell out of her heart. I fell out on my face. And I tripped and missed my star. God, I fell and fell. And the moon's harsh mistress, and the sky's made of stone. Moon's a harsh mistress. She's hard to Okay. Apparently, it's way better on Facebook, breaking up on YouTube. Okay, this is a bit of a nightmare. Guys, from YouTube, go to. Hold on. Do we know why it's breaking up on YouTube? Because that should be better quality.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, guys.
I have
Migrate to Facebook.
on YouTube. I only have a heart and says really beautiful things.
Yeah. 2 seconds, guys. Sorry about this, teething problems. It's just trying to work all of this stuff out. Guys, one of you has my inlog details. Can you get the link? Thanks, Rob. Okay.
I sent you already on Facebook.
Yeah, but one of you puts it in the YouTube thing as an official bericht. And can you guys put the Tiki and the PayPal link as a comment under the Facebook? Cool. Okay, guys, thank you for bearing with. Sorry about that. Everyone from YouTube, apparently, if the quality is good for you, good, stay there. Otherwise, check Facebook, because apparently that's way better. Okay, and to not lose much time, let's see. Okay, guys, right. So as a lot of you know, I'm going to talk to you guys on Facebook now. I became Dutch a while back, and so here's a really beautiful song by Joni Mitchell, but in Dutch. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Een witte volle wattenval, die door een engel wordt gevolgd, in zang zo prachtig wordt vertolkt. Zo moest de wolken zijn, maar nu versperren zij het licht. Zijn eigen in het weerbericht en ik verzaak mijn deurplicht. Zo zonder zonneschijn. Wat mooi aan wolken lijkt te zijn, van hoog tot laag. Geen pijn was wat ik zag, dan wou ik van wolken heb ik geen. Reusachtig is het reuzenrad, gedansend er zult ben verward, als in een sprookje liefgehad. Zo moest de liefde zijn, maar nu blik jij voor tussendoor. Zo lachen jij gaat er van voor. te dizer, vertoon geen spoor van wat je voelt in je pijn. Wat mooi aan liefde leek te zijn, je gaf je naam. Hoe kan het zijn, was wat je voelde, flauw van liefde heb je geen. Trouwen, tranen, trots gevoel, dat ik daar in het feest gevoel. Maar ik sprak over wat ik voel, zo moest het leven zijn. Maar oude vrienden doen hoofdschuddend maken zij bezwaar. Ik ben veranderd, dat is waar. Van water bij de wijn. Wat mooi een leven leek te zijn, de waarheid en de schone schijn zijn levenslessen, flauw van het leven heb ik geen. Wat mooi het leven leek te zijn, de waarheid en de schouder schijn zijn levenslessen, flauwekul van leven heb ik geen. Thank you, everybody. Awesome.
Some requests came in.
Some requests I did notice.
It was me sneezing, sorry.
Yeah. Guys, watching on Facebook, click onto YouTube and subscribe to my channel, because once I get to like a certain amount of followers, then I can live stream on YouTube and the quality will be way better. So thanks for that. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. What was I doing?
Ja, subscriber erbij.
Awesome, dankjewel Helene, super lief van je. Así como cada noche estoy recordando, el vacío en ese apartamento me está desesperando. aún sigo bebiendo, tu recuerdo me abraza, pasa el tiempo pero tú no pasas. ¿Cómo hago para cambiarme el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el camino verte mata un estado decadente y quieto. La tristeza decora esta casa y yo sé que nadie morirá de amor, mas que já se saudade mata e assim muero de Se vai mais uma noite que eu tô mirando, se eu desse apartamento já tô quase pirando. Invece eu te espero, ampliando garrafas, passo tempo não posso e não basta. Luego para cambiar el corazón, la tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que ninguém morre de amor, pero el trago y no verte nada no estado decadente que eu tô. A tristeza decora esta casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata. Como hago para cambiar el corazón? Tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata un estado decadente que eu tô. La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el camino verte mata. Estado decadente que eu tô. A tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata. E assim muero de amor. It doesn't happen very often that I sing in Portuguese, so I apologize.
Brazilian.
Brazilian Portuguese. So I apologize.
That's
for that.
not really Portuguese, Benjamin.
Arturo Den Hartog. Dankjewel man, superleuk. En Stefan. Ja, está lekker. Let me know in the comments in the YouTube or the Facebook. People just tuning in from Facebook, go subscribe to my YouTube.
Hit me, baby. One more
time. Okay, so before I start doing hitters request for the evening, then I'm going to have some fun doing some more some more Spanish stuff. I think you'll all recognize it. It's an English song, American song. And I just need to work out. I think this is the right key. La lluvia cae y lo bello que ha de ser cuando luego sale al sol. Veo tu imagen sin querer, cada vez que pienso en ti siento ganas de ir contigo. Y es que tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar solo tú y yo y nadie más. Solo tú y yo somos nuestra realidad, solo tú y yo y nadie más. Quiero tu risa alrededor, nunca lágrimas que son agua que se pierde, amor. Y sé que sabio es esperar, pero nunca hay que dejar que se escapa el tiempo. Ser amor, y es que tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar solo tú y yo y nadie más. Solo tú y yo somos nuestra realidad. Solo tú y yo y nadie más. Para, para, Veo la lluvia al caer y lo bello que ha de ser cuando luego salga el sol. Veo tu imagen sin querer, cada vez que pienso en ti tengo ganas de ir contigo, amor, 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 amor. Solo tú y yo fuimos hechos para estar, solo tú y yo y nadie más. Solo tú y yo somos nuestra realidad, solo tú y yo y nadie más. Only tú y yo, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us. I need backing vocals. Just the two of us. Somos nuestra realidad, solo tú y yo y nadie más. This is where Arturo moet je hier zijn om deze mee te zingen. Dankjewel, Helene. This was like the least suave thing this evening. I'm trying to really subtly like do it, but I've got like my friends holding up paper like, say this person said that person said that. You know what? I'm just gonna check the comments. Thanks for bearing with you guys. Wait, hold on. I don't even think I'm on the. Oh, Claire Ludo. Hi, Claire. Thanks for joining us. Oh, you guys are really sweet. Thanks very much. Keep sharing, guys. Go to YouTube, subscribe. Being cheesy and stuff. So, hold on. I had a song. Oh yeah, for Arturo. After. So I would do his song, dude.
Yeah.
He just asked me to do Britney Spears, and I have not rehearsed it because he just asked me right now. So for now, I'm gonna do Caro Mio Ben because I know I can do that one.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna mess around doing Hit Me. Hit Me, baby, one more time. Which style? Like a sad ballad or jazz or like
Oh, not a sad ballad.
salsa?
Was onderweg.
Hold on. Who? What? Dude, you need to.
If you can do it jazzy, that's great.
Okay, jazz. Thank you very much, Claire. That's really
Just
sweet.
taking liberty.
On the weg. Rosman, what do you mean? If that's a song, I don't know, I'm afraid. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sing. This is a little bit different to the vibe of the last one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. Actually, finally putting some of my classical singing technique to use.
Oh, yeah. Yo. Someone sent like 10 thumbs up.
Oh, that's very
I
cute.
don't know who.
Linda, I don't know that one. Sorry. If you have any other ones, yeah. Ross, I also don't know that one, guys. Yeah, sorry. Hida, I don't think I'm going to be able to do one. Okay, Stefan, deze is voor jou. Que lo que se espera con paciencia se logra. 9 horas apagues viajes sin saberlo. Y crucé por con scala en tu boca. Yo canté tu bachata aquí en Fukuoka. Una tarde se pintó de canvas el cielo. Caminé la playa de Mama Chinganero y se me escapó la sonrisa del alma. Aquí me enseñó arigato gozaimasu. Yo canté tu bachata aquí en Fukuoka a bailar contigo. Se me alegra la nota, sí. Quiero cantar contigo, quiero una bachata en Fukuoka, sí, una soñar contigo. En el mar las gaviotas, sí, con tu piel de abrigo. Quiero vivir bachata en Fukuoka y llegó la hora de partir y decir sayonara con pocas ganas. Y en el noche en mi ventana, konnichiwa, ohayo gozaimasu. Para bailar contigo, se me alegra la nota, sí. Quiero cantar contigo, quiero una bachata en Fukuoka. Sueños de arena en las las besos me daba tu boca. Tengo estrellas silosas cantando en Fukuoka para bailar contigo. Se me alegra la nota, sí, quiero cantar contigo. Quiero una bachata en Fukuoka para soñar contigo. En el mar las gaviotas, sí, con tu piel de abrigo. Quiero vivir bachata en Fukuoka. Saskia, I left at your event. Sorry, from Jesus Christ, Superstar. Yeah, well, I had something by, it's not quite the same, but it's religious. That's a broad enough spectrum,
Yeah,
right? To
close.
be.
Can you do a Defying Gravity later? That's nice.
For the spirit of today.
Yeah? Yeah. Well, I think a really good song for you.
When you sing too loud. FYI.
Okay, let's see. From the just loading the lyrics. Be still for the presence of the Holy One is here. Come bow before Him with reverence and with fear. In Him our sin is found. We stand on holy ground. Be still for the presence of the Holy One is here. Be still for the glory of the Lord is shining all around. He burns with holy fire, with splendor He is crowned. Awesome is the sight, our radiant King of light. Be still for the glory of the Lord is shining all around. Be still for the power of the He comes to a still for the power of is moving in this place. Be still for the power of is moving in this Thank you. Let's see. Thanks, Stefan. Okay, guys, let me know if there's anything else you want to hear. Everybody, do me a favor, go onto YouTube and click subscribe to my channel, because then I can stream from YouTube and the quality is way better. There's a donation links in the comments and in YouTube as well. And otherwise, keep enjoying the concert. I hope you guys are having fun. Somebody said you got a new friend. Does he love you better than I can? It's a big black sky over my town. I know where you're at and then she's around. Yeah, I know it's stupid. Just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Right over here, but why can't you see me? I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you're taking home. I keep dancing on my own. I just wanna dance all night. I'm so messed up, I'm so out of line. Till there's a broken bottle, I'm spinning around in circles. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh, I'm right over here, but why can't you see me? I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you're taking home. Oh, I keep dancing on my own. Far away, still so near. Lights come on, the music dies. You don't see me standing here. I just came to say goodbye. And it's sad, como la de esa soul. esto me duele, no puedes verme. Oh, estoy dando todo, que mi lugar se robó. Oh, bailaré muy solo. Veo de cerca como la besa solo. Esto me duele y no puedes verme. I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you're taking home. Oh, bailaré muy solo. I'll keep dancing on. I'll keep dancing on. This is a really beautiful Georgian song called Mises Wedze. I'm looking for a reason. Mises Wedze. Verga fige, netta vrahiro. Rogor morta, celi kazebi, ora cavallo. Ciaranancia sedisca, ați mi guarda, ați schimb danza. Sultan Saranancia sedisca, ați mi guarda, ați schimb danza. Sultan Saranancia. let's see. Bridge over troubled water. Yes, hold on. Yeah, thanks to everybody that's donated. There's some links in the YouTube video. Also on YouTube, go click subscribe, make a donation if you want. It really helps me if you subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, there's some links in the Facebook comments as well to do a donation from Tiki from the Netherlands and PayPal abroad, if you're not watching from the UK. And thanks for joining, thanks for tuning in. And let's look at some versions, some requests. Claire, of course, I will sing you Happy Birthday next week. Bridge Over Troubled Water, for sure I can do that. We'll start with Colors of the Wind. I'm glad you're still enjoying it. Let's just check a few people watching on YouTube. Yeah, guys, it really does help me out if you go to YouTube, click subscribe, and if you want to put likes and comments underneath my videos. Thank you very much. Yeah. The problem is with Colors of the Wind, I never know what key to do it in. Thank you very much, kind of. Great that you guys are tuning in. Check those out. Yeah, the sound is. Yeah. Apparently the sound is. Guys, let me know on Facebook if the sound is good. Okay. 1 hour. I can say. Sorry for any modulations in advance. Great, thanks, Claire. Oh man, what's the first line? You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you heard the wolf cry to the blue gold? Or ask the grinning bobcat where he grins? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? This is where I need a full orchestra. From the hidden pine trails of the forest, taste the sun, sweet berries of the earth. I'm rolling all the riches on the ground. For once, never is on the wind. You could own the earth still. All you're on is a frontier. You can paint with all the colors of the Good request, Kofi. Thank you. That's such a good song. I remember when I was a kid, I would like wake up and I had this CD of Disney songs, and I would go down every morning. I'd sit there eating my cereal before school, and I would listen to this song like on repeat. We have one more. Oh yeah, Bridge Over Troubled Water. What you guys can do that will really help me out is at some point, either now or over the next few days, just go to the YouTube video and let it play, even if you mute it, but just so I get the like minutes being viewed on YouTube. That would be great. I know I keep pushing this, but it's really important to get the quality up. Okay, and now for Linda, Bridge Over Troubled Water. Guys, if you have any other song requests or anything, let me know.
There is one.
Otherwise, I'm just reflection from Mulan. Who suggested that? Helene. Oh, super looks sad. Honestly, okay. First one, we Bridge Over Troubled Water, and then we'll see what happens. I already did that. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when things get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. When you're down and out, with your let's do it. Octavio, hola, güey. Si tienes alguna request o canción que quieres que toque, pues que me la escribes. Thanks, Luis. Bethany Mary, something for Wicked. You know, you're the third person today to ask for something from Wicked. So let's see if I have it in me to do Defying Gravity. This is going to be super fun. This is like what my musical, what's the word? My musical, opvoeding. What's that in Engels? My musical education was Wicked and all of this stuff. Defying Gravity lyrics. I also haven't played this one in ages, so hopefully it will be it will be okay. I'm gonna miss out the whole like preload thing of like I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. So anyway. Something is changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through by playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second seeing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes. This is going to be a challenge. And it's time to drop the gravity. Kiss me goodbye and defying gravity. You someone says you're strong. Some things I cannot change till I try on. Too long I've been afraid of losing my life as sunrise. And that's how it goes. Much too high it comes. I'd sooner buy say goodbye and defying gravity. Liberty, together we're liberty. Together we'll be the greatest team there's ever been. Good love, dreams the way we plan. If we work it tandem, yeah, it's a fight we cannot win. Just you and I. So if you can't find me under the western sky, deserves a chance. And if I'm flying solo, I guess I'm flying free. To those who know me, take a message from me. Tell them how I'm flying gravity. It's an homage that can breathe now. All of us, we said that it's ours. It's never gonna That was ridiculously not the right key. That was so low. Oh my. Right. Hoi Chantal, leuk dat je er bent. That one completely ruined my voice. Hero by Enrique Iglesias. Meneer, wil je het in het Spaans of in het Engels? Huh? Swahili, yeah. Well, actually, I was learning a Swahili song the other day, but there's no way it's ready yet. Do you know Baba Yetu? That's. That's a little joke for the guys. for the guys here. Okay, meneer wilt het in het Spaans. Enrique Iglesias. This is also like my go-to song at karaoke. Hold on, I'm forgetting how to write in Spanish. Okay, I can find it in English. Yeah. Si una vez te podría llegar, erizar de frío tu piel, a quemar, qué sé yo, tu boca y morirme ahí después. Si entonces temblarás por mí, llorarás por verme sufrir. Ay, sin duda, tu vida entera como yo la doy por ti. Si pudiera ser tu héroe, si pudiera ser tu Dios, de salvarte a ti 1000 veces, puedes ser mi salvación. Si supieras la locura que llevo, que viene y me mata por dentro, y que más da, mira salvación. Déjame tocarte. Quiero acariciarte una vez más. Mira que al final lo que importa es que te quiero. Si pudiera ser tu héroe, si pudiera ser tu Dios, que salvarte a ti 1000 veces, puedes ser mi salvación. Si pudiera ser tu héroe, si pudiera ser tu Dios, te salvarte a ti 1000 veces. Quiero ser tu héroe. Puedes ser mi salvación. Let me be your hero. Such an awesome song. That was a really good request, Munir. Thank you, Elman. Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh, thank you so much, Charlotte. That's so lovely of you. Clay, you're very welcome. I hope you join us next week as well. Everybody who's watching, there's some donation links for Tiki in the Netherlands and PayPal if you want to help support. Also, click on over to YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Please, it really helps. I hate being one of those guys, but let's see if now I can actually do Hidda's request. So this is Hidda's taken me off guard with this one. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. What did you want? You wanted it, je wou toch een beetje jazz?
Ja.
Oh baby, baby, I wasn't supposed to know. Something wasn't right here. Oh baby, baby, I should have let you know. Now you're out of sight, yeah. Show me how you wanted to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know that because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe when I'm in you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me, baby, one more time. It's really weird to hear it with all these these chords. Oh baby, baby, the reason I breathe is you. Oh, you got me blinded. Oh pretty baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. It's the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, give me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe when you will be here and give me a sign. Give me, baby, one more time. Oh, you got me blinded. Oh, pretty baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know, because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe, give me a sign, give me a sign, give me, baby, one more time. That was a very good suggestion. We have a comment from Lynn saying, better than Britney, I love the backing singing. And Lynn, while you're here, let me see if I can just find the lyrics. It's a bit. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one time. One more time. Yeah.
Dost thou
Okay. Means we have to be serious. And if you didn't hear that, the bell just went. If you guys want to join in, they're looking at me very confused. I know that isn't a minute. The first time I met you, my darling, your face was as fair as gold. But now your dear face has grown paler, as pale as the lily white rose. I love the white moon in its splendor, rose that reminds me of you're fair as the spring, oh my darling. Your face shines so bright, so divine. The fairest of blooms in my garden. Oh, lily, white rose, you are mine. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair she it's the rose that reminds me of you. Now I am alone, my sweet darling. We walk through the garden and we but spring will return with your presence. Only white rose mine to keep. Jago Larham rose and wind, and rose and I heard that all day. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its I love the white rose so as she it's the rose that reminds me oh, the summertime has come, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the mountain top grows around the blooming lawn. Where he goes, I see. I will build my Lord of my heart on your crystal fountain, on the time shadow light, all the flowers of the mountain, where he goes, I see go. And we'll all go together to the grand mountain time, all around the blooming meadow, where we see go. all around my home in my heart, when I see, where I see, I will. I see. Beautiful Scottish song. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Anyone who's just joined us on Facebook, go check YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and there's some links in the YouTube and in the comments of the Facebook if you guys want to give a small donation on Tiki in the Netherlands and PayPal for people living abroad. It's very much appreciated. And if you have the time or and wanting to support, then you can go through my YouTube channel and like the videos as you listen to them, because that also helps a lot with the algorithm. I'm playing around a lot at the minute with like how the algorithm works and what's the best way to do this, hence why we have Facebook and YouTube at the same time today. Let me just seeing, my WhatsApp isn't working, so I can't message people, and I need to make sure that they're watching when I do their requests. If you have any requests, let me know. I'll try and get it done, although we are coming up to the end now. My phone has given up getting WhatsApp. It's still going, right, guys? On Facebook, we're still live? Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, well, Christian, let me know if you're online, and I'll do your song. Let's see, I had a really long list, but actually I haven't done like anything from it. I hope that Justine is watching. I'll do another really beautiful French song for her. This is a really beautiful song by a jazz singer, Emily Claire Barlow, and this is legit one of the most beautiful songs. So here we go, en français. You can all laugh at me afterwards. C'est pas un autre, c'est un autre, mon amour. Je suis pas un autre, je suis ton homme à toi. Et cet amour qui voit le jour entre nos bras restera nôtre jusqu'au jour où tu partiras. Tu viens d'ailleurs, je suis jeudi et dimanche. J'aime les fleurs, tu aimes les pluies et le dimanche. Tu peux m'aider Ce grand amour qui se battait fragile au plus grand le cœur des cet amour qui voit le jour entre nos bras, restera notre jusqu'au jour où tout partira, restera notre jusqu'au jour. Où tu legit one of the most beautiful songs.
Arturo is this for Blackbird.
Arturo, dude, which Blackbird? Hold on, there's another request I need to do from Christian, which is beautiful. Ah, yeah, that one. Okay, makes sense. Okay. People that know me, I have this huge painting of the Starry Night in my room that a very good friend got for me. And Van Gogh always inspires me. I think he's absolutely amazing. So it's really nice to sing this. Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue gray. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and daffodils, catch the breeze and winter chills in colors on the sunny linen mat. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers. stars brightly blaze, swirling clouds and violet haze, reflect in Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing hue. Morning fear, amber gray, weathered faces lined in pain are soothed beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand that you tried to say to me how you suffered for your sanity. Though you tried to set them free, they would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you. Still your love was true, and when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you've met. The ragged men in ragged clothes, silver thorn, the bloody rose, lying crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free, they would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will. Thanks. Well, we got time for one or two more songs. Let's see. If you guys have any requests, let me know, obviously, same as always. Sorry? Oh, Blackbird, yeah, Arturo. Shamefully being British and having to search the lyrics for Blackbird, but I do like doing it in a medley with the other Blackbird. If you guys have any other requests, let me know. trying to think. I'm trying to. Yes. Here we go. Two seconds, guys. Sorry. Bear with, bear with, bear with. Right, here we go. Arturo, ik hoop dat je het leuk vindt. I'm singing the blues all day, right outside of my door. Blackbird, gonna be on your way, where there's sunshine galore. All through the winter you hang around. Now you're going back home. Blackbird, gonna be on your way, where there's sunshine galore. Pack up all my cares and gone, here I go singing home. Bye bye, blackbird. There's somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so sweet. Bye bye, blackbird. Don't want me to know or understand what hard luck stories they are. Make my bed and light the light, harder I relate to night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take his broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird in the dead of night, take these sunken eyes and see all your life. You're only waiting for this moment to be free. Into the light of the dark night. from the sea. My body, my heart. No one naked lover on the sun. What hard luck stories they all have me. Make my bed and light the light. On arrival into blackbird goodbye. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. Oh, your love. You were only waiting for this moment. Awesome. Thanks very much. Do we have, can we do one more? Is that right?
It's 10.
One more song? No. One more song for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks very much. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube. There are donation links in the comments on Facebook and in YouTube. It's probably easier to find it from YouTube. Thanks everyone for joining in. I'll see you the same time next week. For people living in this part of Europe, CET time from 8 to 10, and everybody else, work it out. You check like the world clock, you know. Okay. Do you guys have a request for the final song? Otherwise, I'm just going to do.
Don't worry, be happy.
I want to end on a more dramatic one.
Oh, of course.
Of course. So I want to finish on a more dramatic song.
I want it that way.
How does the verse go? You are my fire, desire, believe when I say I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Okay, one super dramatic song to finish it. You guys know that I sing this one all the time, so. Maakte wind je lieve lippen straal. Braakt de wereld jouw onklare taal. Ik trakteer je op een warm onthaal. Zo voel je wat ik voel. En in de schaduw van de duisternis. Wanneer er niemand in de buurt meer is, smeet ik onze zielsverbintenis. Eens voel je wat ik voel. Ik weet dat jij nog aan het twijfelen bent. Ik heb het beste met je voor. Ik weet het sinds de dag dat jij me kent. Ik twijfel niet of jij wel bij me hoort. dragende ondergang. Kruip op mijn knieën nog een weg naar jou. Niets weerhoudt me, want ik hou van jou. Zo voel je wat ik voel. Thank you for joining, everybody. Have a lovely night. Stay safe, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you all next week.
School.
You go back in again?